friends, my name is Arun. Jspider Rajajinagar is the best platform to gain technical knowledge required for IT. The whole organization works in the most efficient way possible to ensure that students get placed with good skill set. I'm able to understand the IT skills like Java, SQL and web technologies to best place to learn technologies from the scratch at a very good experience. JSpider is best platform for job seekers, freshers and learn technical skills. We get to learn about coding, Java and Python, design web pages, logical programming, database management system. You get confidence to attend and clear the interviews. Thank you guys.